Okay, guys, wanted to talk to you about the synthesis versus decomposition reaction assignment. So what this is that when you look on Google Classroom, it gives you that big outline, tells you the purpose of the assignment. So just read through that. And then it talks about the three sections we'll be graded on. So we have the written portion, or we say written portion. It's not very much writing, but we have the written portion, our equation portion, and then our visual aids. Okay, so remember, just a visual aid is something that helps us understand our what we're looking at or what we're reading. Okay, so on the written portion, what it says, what we need to include is we just need to have a title, okay, of our poster. Then it says we need to have a definition of both the synthesis and decomposition reaction. Okay. Now, the next one is really the only place where I think you guys might get a little confused. It says we need to have an example, or we need to explain our example that we used. Now, all that means is, in my example, I have hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas will give us water. So your explanation of your example, you'd literally just say, hey, when you combine hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, you get water. That's it, right? So this isn't anything complicated. You're just using words to tell me what's happening in your example equation, okay? So with your equation, what it says is you got to have it balanced. So whatever you choose, you got to make sure that it's balanced. And then just like our other assignment, you want to make sure you identify what the coefficient is telling us, okay? And you also want to identify what the subscript's telling us. So you're going to do that for both your synthesis and your decomposition reaction, okay? Last part, the visual aid, right? So we got to have some sort of representation. I don't care if you draw it, you can glue stuff, you can cut it out, however you want to do that. But your visual aid has to represent both the molecules and the atoms in this chemical reaction. So you can see here, my coefficient of 2 tells me I have 2 hydrogen gas molecules. So we can see down here, I have 2 hydrogen gas molecules. Okay, so that's all it is. So we just want to be able to compare and contrast our synthesis versus decomposition reactions. Okay, thank you.